In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your online store by uploading your logo into the navigation bar. This simple process can make a huge difference in creating a unique and professional look for your brand. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to locate the Upload or Choose Image button. This is typically found next to your logo setting within your store's customization options. The goal here is to start the journey of integrating your carefully designed logo into your store's environment, lending a touch of identity and professionalism to your site. Once you've found this button, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt your computer to open a file selection window. Now, take a moment to navigate through your files to find the image file of your logo. Remember, it's best to choose a high-resolution image that looks crisp and clear. Logos are not just about looks. They represent your brand identity, so ensuring the image is well prepared is crucial. As you make your choice, consider the file format. Files like PNGs are often recommended because they support transparent backgrounds, which can help your logo blend seamlessly with your site's design. Once you've selected your file, simply click Open or Select. Your computer will do the rest, transferring the logo image to your store's customization interface. After uploading, you'll see the logo appear in your store's navigation bar or header, depending on the platform you're using. This is an exciting moment as your brand's visual identity finally starts to take its place on your site. Do a quick check to make sure it looks the way you envisioned. If something seems off, don't hesitate to revisit the image file or even the settings to make any necessary adjustments. Often, platforms offer options to resize or reposition the logo, allowing you some flexibility to get it just right. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your logo. This seemingly small step can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your site. Remember, a well-placed logo helps build trust with your customers, reinforcing your brand's presence. If you notice the logo appearing blurry or pixelated, it may be worth checking that the resolution is high enough or that you're using the recommended dimensions provided by your store's theme. That's it! You've added a professional touch to your site with just a few clicks. As you continue to fine-tune your store, keep in mind how each element reflects your brand. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, where we've simplified the process of uploading your logo to enhance your online presence. Stay tuned for more tips on refining your e-commerce experience.